this is a favorite place of mine to come. It's a place called Miller Park. There's a creek that runs through this park, and they stock this creek with trout, and people come during trout season and fish here. But it's just a place for all kinds of people to come and enjoy a little piece of nature in the middle of the town of Front Royal. And if you look, what I've got is I've got these wildflowers here. I don't believe you can see the back of my screen, but I've got these wildflowers here. And what I've done is I'm at f/18, ISO 200, and 1/100th of a second. And I'm focusing in on this wildflower, and what I'm going to do is try to kind of mellow the scene of the rocks and stuff with the water rolling over it here behind it. And then what we'll do is we'll take another picture, and I will slow the shutter speed down and open up the aperture and see what I get with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 2-second timer. And it was very underexposed. I don't know what happened there. The light must have changed while I was doing that. All right, 2-second exposure, 1/10th of a second. Lovely. I'm going to take my aperture up as high as it will go. Drop my ISO down to 100. And lower my shutter speed. I read that wrong. I don't know what my shutter speed was. I was looking in the wrong spot. This is 1/13th of a second. Well, between video cuts, when I was looking back and forth with video to shoot B-roll for this vlog, nice, beautiful heron right across the water here. I got some pictures of him or her, but I don't know whether they'll turn out because my shutter speed was really low from photographing this. And I put a 300mm lens on it to try to reach out and get closer, but you know, there's a general rule: if it doesn't have image stabilization, which mine doesn't, you know, 1 over the focal length. So I needed the shutter speed at 300 or better, and 1/300th of a second or better. And I got like several shots at 1/250th, 1/160th, and I don't know for sure whether any of them will come out nice and clear and sharp. If they do, I'll post them. What happens when you're not looking. this shot, I've got the rocks in the foreground, and then the water rushing through this way. And if you look, there's a little, like, gully or stream that's going on through here. That is where that heron was headed. I'm at f8, 1/5 of a second, ISO 100, and I'm focused in basically to infinity. 2-second timer. There we go. One more at f11. Still 1/5 of a second, slightly underexposed. 2-second timer. Well, that's it for the day. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me. Bless you. I'll talk to you later.